What is sent through a post office? Options are A. Letter, B. Ticket, C. Bag, D. Map. The correct answer is letter. What is used to pay for sending mail? Options are A. Stamp, B. Coin, C. Token, D. Card. The correct answer is stamp. Where are letters posted? Options are A. Mailbox, B. Counter, C. Shelf, D. Office. The correct answer is mailbox. What is a package called? Options are A. Parcel, B. Paper, C. File, D. Form. The correct answer is parcel. What shows the receiver's location? Options are A. Address, B. Signature, C. Number, D. Label. The correct answer is address. What do you receive after posting an item? Options are A. Receipt, B. Stamp, C. Envelope, D. Box. The correct answer is receipt. What covers a letter? Options are A. Envelope, B. Folder, C. Wrapper, D. Sheet. The correct answer is envelope. What means sending something by post? Options are A. Mail, B. Print, C. Store, D. Collect. The correct answer is mail. What helps track a sent item? Options are A. Tracking number, B. Address, C. Stamp, D. Envelope. The correct answer is tracking number. What service delivers mail? Options are A. Postal service, B. Travel service, C. Repair service, D. Payment service. The correct answer is postal service.